Hello students, welcome to BTech 360 and Career 360. Now that the JOSA counseling is moving fast and you know that there are about 6 rounds of JOSA counseling, one of the requests that I always have for you is please look out for the CSAP counseling, which is the Central Seat Allocation Board seats. About 15 to 18% seats typically every year move into the CSAP counseling because students keep giving up because they would prefer something else and they give up the seats. And what we're doing now is to start informing you about what is CSAP counseling, how many seats move into that, and what are the most preferred and least preferred branches in the CSAP counseling across the board. Now, just to put things in perspective, there are about, last year about 13.5, 14,000 seats were decided because the students did not pick up those seats during JOSA counseling. About 13.5, 14,000 seats were decided at the CSAP counseling level. What I'm going to show you now is NITs only and how many seats moved into the CSAP counseling and what are your chances of getting into it. So we'll talk of NITs most and these, the branches that are most in demand and how many seats are there in NITs through the CSAP counseling, which means the JOSA counseling is done after round 6. I'm not talking of after round 4, I'm talking of after round 6. Right now, while we're doing that, a lot of students also have reached out to us saying they need help to get into the right college, right branch, and all. You might have actually at this point in time realized what are your chances of getting into any college. So to that extent, you obviously are justified in exploring what are the other options. So for that purpose, we created a helpline number. The number is 8130376334. Send us a message BTech. One of our BTech counselors will call you and help you out in terms of understanding what are the application forms that are still open that you can actually get yourself into. And do subscribe to BTech 360 because we're creating a lot of content to help students get into the right college, right course as much as possible. And this is actually a large series that we're creating. It is not just one-off kind of a content. We're going to keep doing this till the 15th of August or 20th of August, till your admission chances are almost exhausted. And for that purpose, we're creating this series. And this series, the entire information and guidance series that we're creating is presented by Amity University, one of India's leading universities, and also ranked among the top 3% globally based on the World University rankings. So do look out for them. Now about this particular thing. Now in CSAP counseling last year in 2025, about 4,427 seats of NITs were decided, which means about 4,427 seats after round 6 of JOSA counseling moved to CSAP counseling, which is the Central Seat Allocation Board counseling, and they started getting filled up. Now, by the way, not all 4,427 seats were filled in, but it's an attempt to fill in every seat possible so that seats don't go waste, right? In that process, about 4,427 seats moved and quite a few seats got filled in through CSAP counseling, of which in the open category there were 2,055 seats. In OBC NCL category there were 757 seats. SC category has 398 seats. ST category has 339 seats and EWS had 334 seats. Now in CSAP counseling, unlike what you have in JOSA counseling, where you have category ranks, in CSAP counseling, everything is through the All India Common Rank List. So you actually have the common rank list. So there is no distinction in terms of having a category rank, inter se merit rank within the category. They do only the All India Common Rank List and move everything there. And about 4,400 seats got filled in through that route. Now I'll talk of NITs and we'll talk of the most competitive branch in the NIT and what is the kind of rank at which it closed last year. And remember, we're talking of 2025. The CSAP counseling, there is a bit of a difference that data can be slightly volatile because it depends on how many seats are unfilled at the end of round 6, which move in here. The number of seats moving in here is lesser, then it will be different. And if the number of seats is a lot more than what it happened, again it will be different. So what I'm going to talk to you about what happened in 2025 so that you at least know what happens, right? And how it performs. NIT Trichy BTech CSE was the most competitive and at 1,605 rank also in CSAP counseling a seat got filled in. So a few students might have been below this also, but at 1,605 also you got into it. And by the way, in the same NIT Trichy, BTech Metallurgical, which is the least competitive branch, because at 24,515 also you could get into this particular branch. NIT Karnataka Surathkal, BTech Computer Engineering again, 2,158 rank also, you got a seat filled in through CSAP. And BTech Mining Engineering was the least in demand there at 31,695, which got filled in through CSAP. NIT Warangal, BTech CSE again 2,634 and BTech Biotechnology least in demand at 37,193. And we're talking of open category, mind you, we're not talking of category ranks, we're talking of open category at this point in time. NIT Roorkela 4,245 being the highest, for BTech CSE again. BTech and MTech Mining Engineering went up to 51,378 before it got filled in. And we're talking of All India quota, non-home state, remember that, right? MNIT Allahabad 3,423 BTech CSE, a student got it. At 48,917 also a student got into BTech Biotechnology Engineering. NIT Calicut BTech CSE 5,964, BTech Biotechnology Engineering at 41,289, same NIT Calicut. MNIT Jaipur BTech CSE was 5,995, a student did get it, non-home state. And BTech Metallurgical Materials at 38,727 also a student got into it. VNIT Nagpur, BTech CSC 7,694. If you see very consistently, CSC seems to be most in demand or most competitive because the highest closing rank is the least out there. Whereas when you come to core and especially mining and biotechnology and all, you're seeing that to be least in demand if you notice that very carefully. Because here it's BTech Mining Engineering, VNIT Nagpur, 52,313 rank also a student got into it. Then NIT Delhi, BTech AI and Data Science, 7,758. At BTech Civil Engineering, NIT Delhi at 34,683. NIT Kurukshetra, BTech CSC again, 8,831 rank a student got it. BTech Sustainable Energy and Technologies, 44,657 a student got into NIT Kurukshetra. SVNIT in Surat, 10,232 BTech Computer Engineering. BTech Industrial Chemistry at 53,700. MNIT Bhopal, BTech CSC at 10,596. BTech Material Science and Metallurgical at 50,088 for the same institution. NIT Jamshedpur, BTech Computer Science Engineering, 10,736. BTech Production and Industrial Engineering, 52,599. Now, one of the things you must very carefully notice here is, even after JOSA counseling, every NIT seems to have some of their seats, even for CSC and those in-demand branches still being open, which are being filled in after round 6 of JOSA counseling through CSAP counseling. So you should not lose hope is what I'm trying to say. NIT Durgapur, BTech CSC at 12,268. BTech and MTech Biotechnology Engineering at 65,181 is the last closing rank for NIT Durgapur through CSAP counseling. B.R. Ambedkar University, NIT Jalandhar, 13,737 for CSC. BTech Textile Technology at 64,539. NIT Hamirpur, BTech CSC at 15,074. BTech Material Science and Engineering, 57,218 here. Then we come to NIT Silchar, BTech CSC at 16,053, you got it. And in the same institute, BTech Civil Engineering at 59,346 is the highest closing rank. CSAP counseling, All India Common Rank List. Remember that, open category. NIT Raipur, BTech CSC at 17,240. BTech Biomedical Engineering at 78,915 rank. NIT Goa, BTech CSC at 17,448. BTech Civil Engineering at 57,181. NIT Patna, BTech CSC at 19,078. BTech and MTech Material Science Engineering in the same institute at 65,552. Through CSAP counseling, they could fill in a seat. IST Shibpur, BTech Computer Science Engineering, 21,240 also got a rank last year for BTech Computer Science and Technology. And the same institute, BTech Mining Engineering, is 81,700. NIT Andhra Pradesh, BTech CSC at 22,270. And BTech Biotechnology got filled in at 91,366. NIT Puducherry Karaikal, BTech CSC at 22,366. BTech Civil Engineering in the same institute at 69,557. NIT Agartala, BTech CSC at 26,422. BSMS Chemistry Dual Degree at 1,27,501 also. You could fill in the seat in Agartala. NIT Uttarakhand, BTech CSC at 26,951. And they filled in Civil Engineering at 71,457. NIT Sikkim, BTech CSC at 31,754. They filled in Civil Engineering at 84,897 last year through CSAP counseling. NIT Srinagar, BTech Computer Science Engineering at 31,866. BTech Metallurgical and Materials Engineering at 93,661 they could fill in. NIT Meghalaya, BTech CSC at 35,937. BTech Civil Engineering at 81,562. NIT Arunachal Pradesh, 44,663 for BTech CSC. BTech Biosciences and Bioengineering is 1,09,600. NIT Manipur, BTech CSC at 45,298. BTech Civil Engineering is 1,10,888. NIT Mizoram, BTech CSC at 55,951. BTech Civil Engineering at 1,08,842. NIT Nagaland, BTech CSC at 56,055. BTech Civil Engineering at 1,11,764. Right. So that is what you have. What we showed you is all the NITs. What's the highest, most in demand branch, where we also talked of the highest closing rank that happened through the CSAT counseling for, and if you notice, everything seems to be computer science and all. And by the time you talk of the highest closing rank, which is closed through CSAT counseling, it seems to be mining, biotechnology, metallurgical, and those kind of branches, or the dual degree programs seem to be ranking. And that seems to be a very clear indication for all of us of where things are moving in terms of the demand from the student side of it. If you still are looking for, by the way, if you think that the rank will help you, please go ahead. But if you still think that there is, you can get a better college and a better course at a private space, you can send us a message, because a lot of students are confused about the whole thing or are looking for other options. In which case, you can send us a message on 8130376334. Send us a message BTech, and one of our counselors will call you, understand your problem, and guide you properly. And do subscribe to BTech 360, because we're creating a lot of content to help students take the best decision in a data-driven, objective way. And this is complete series. It is not one part thing. It's a series of videos that we're creating to help students decide better. And this information and guidance series is presented by Amity University, one of India's leading universities, and also ranked among the top 3% globally based on world university rankings. If you want me to cover anything else, please do message me in the message box. I'll be happy to cover that for you. Thank you so much. Namaste.